increase your transmission supply, you need to know this difference between or the population of your traffic, that's trucks or cars. Statistical validity comes into play to how long should you collect data. When you go to the vendors, they tell you where this is our plan. You can rent it for 7 days, you can rent it for 14 days, and this is how much it would cost you. So people who are doing this study, a lot of cities that are doing this study are saying, well, we'll just go by a plan. Let's rent it for 7 days, let's rent it for 14 days, but you need to know, you need to have some sort of basis. Okay, we need to collect data for 20 days or 10 days to be able to get good enough data that we can, a good enough sample size that we can use with our models. So those are the main issues that I found. And then double counting, too, was another issue that they didn't address when I asked them. They said, okay, what if I have a cell phone and I have one of those new cars that has Bluetooth and I have my Bluetooth headset on too? So how does that count the car as 3 cars, or does it count it as just 1 car? And that's something that they have to filter out that noise, and they haven't done that yet. Hopefully they'll do it in the future. So for this study, our method was very simple. Collect Bluetooth data sets at 3 external locations, and that's because we had only 3 Bluetooth, we had only 3 units that BlueFax Inc. had given us. Collect traffic count data using our smart sensor data. As I mentioned before, we're trying to match the times so that we could distinguish between trucks and cars, but we didn't do that. But we're going to use the traffic count data to get information about our detection rates. And then